This was the only atomic bomb-capable squadron anywhere in the world. These people were the best of the best.
Nature is full of terrifying surprises, from massive hurricanes to deadly tsunamis. But beyond these well-known disasters, there are stranger, more unusual phenomena that can be just as unsettling. Imagine orange rain pouring from the sky, thousands of spiders falling on your head, or a tornado made of snow. Let's explore the most bizarre natural events that defy logic and leave scientists amazed. The Horsemen of the Apocalypse. The sight of ghostly riders in the sky was more than just a passing curiosity. It ignited a storm of speculation and fascination around the globe. Social media buzzed with videos and images of the eerie apparitions, their glowing forms etched starkly against the night sky. For many, the vision evoked powerful symbolism from ancient prophecies, while others suspected more earthly explanations. Religious communities were quick to associate the riders with the Horsemen of the Apocalypse, figures long seen as harbingers of war, famine, pestilence, and death. The image of them galloping across the heavens sent chills through even the most rational minds, their forms seemingly tied to the weight of centuries-old myths. The ominous tone of the sighting created a ripple effect, leaving many pondering the deeper meaning of the event. Skeptics, however, found the lack of any subsequent catastrophic events curious. This silence led to new theories. Perhaps it was not a prophecy fulfilled, but rather an illusion crafted to stir intrigue or fear. Some suggested the riders were the product of advanced holographic technology, pointing to the possibility of classified military experiments. The mention of Project Bluebeam emerged again, with whispers of elite organizations simulating celestial phenomena for purposes unknown. Others argued for more natural explanations, like rare atmospheric conditions or unique light refractions caused by ice crystals in the upper troposphere. While plausible, these theories did little to quell the growing fascination surrounding the sighting. Adding to the mystery, certain meteorological experts noted that unusual cloud formations and high-altitude phenomena can sometimes create shapes that resemble recognizable figures. But in this case, the distinctly humanoid forms astride horse-like shapes seemed too precise to be mere coincidence. Reports from different regions described the riders as moving deliberately, adding to their spectral quality. Among the most intriguing possibilities were whispers of a coordinated effort by shadowy groups. Some believed the riders might have been an intentional display, a calculated act to manipulate the collective psyche. The idea of shaping public perception through extraordinary celestial events is not new. It has long been a cornerstone of conspiracy theories surrounding psychological warfare. Meanwhile, historians weighed in, drawing parallels to medieval accounts of sky omens that foretold wars or the fall of kingdoms. These ancient tales often spoke of phantom warriors or divine messengers appearing in the clouds during pivotal moments in history. Whether the riders of today were a modern parallel to these legends or something entirely unprecedented remained a topic of spirited discussion. Regardless of the origins, the impact of the ghostly riders transcended borders and belief systems. The event served as a reminder of humanity's enduring fascination with the unknown and the thin veil separating the ordinary from the extraordinary. For those who witnessed the spectacle, the sight of those spectral figures etched into the night sky left a lasting impression, a chilling blend of awe and unease that continues to resonate long after the skies return to normal. Roswell's secret discovery. The Roswell UFO incident of 1947 remains a pivotal mystery. It began when a rancher found unusual debris on his property near Roswell, New Mexico. Metallic sheets, materials that could snap back into shape, and beams with strange markings. Initially, the Roswell Army Airfield announced it had recovered a flying disc, sparking public intrigue. However, hours later, the story shifted to a weather balloon, which only fueled skepticism. Eyewitness accounts further fueled speculation, with claims of alien beings found near the crash site, described as small, gray, with large almond-shaped eyes. The controversial alien autopsy footage, though disputed, added to the mystery. Some believe the UFO was transported to a hidden location, potentially involving a secret collaboration between extraterrestrials and the government, with advanced alien technology exchanged for secrecy. Following Roswell, significant advancements in technology, including aerospace engineering and microelectronics, occurred. Some theorists suggest these breakthroughs were driven by reverse-engineered alien technology. Roswell also became a hotspot for UFO sightings, further fueling the belief that extraterrestrial activity continued in the area. The idea of a government cover-up emerged, with claims that witnesses were silenced and military personnel kept quiet. Declassified documents and whistleblower testimonies hint at efforts to suppress UFO information. As similar incidents occurred globally, many began to think that Roswell was part of a broader phenomenon, cementing its place in history as an enduring mystery. Alien at the White House? Amid the hustle and bustle of Washington, D.C., a strange event unfolded when a thin, non-human figure was spotted atop the White House. The figure's unnatural movements, coupled with its eerie presence, raised alarms about potential extraterrestrial involvement at the highest levels of government. The White House, one of the most secure buildings in the world, is equipped with advanced surveillance, making the appearance of this figure even more baffling. Despite the building's rigorous security, this entity appeared unhindered, fueling speculation that it had either been granted access or possessed technology far beyond human capabilities. Witnesses who saw the figure described its movements as deliberate and purposeful, not those of a random intruder. The behavior led some to suggest that the figure may have been gathering information, possibly as part of a covert extraterrestrial mission to observe or influence human politics. This sighting immediately drew comparisons to past UFO-related incidents, particularly those linked to covert government programs like Project Blue Book, fueling the belief that extraterrestrial entities have been interacting with world leaders for decades, possibly even entering into agreements with them. Theories also surfaced that this figure could be the result of secret hybridization programs involving alien and human DNA. Such hybrids, with their advanced abilities, could navigate human security systems effortlessly, making them ideal for undercover operations. The presence of this figure on such a significant rooftop only added to the mystery, leaving many to wonder if this was yet another clue in the ongoing puzzle of extraterrestrial influence on Earth's leaders. The disastrous plume. A massive orange plume erupted into the sky, triggering fears of an impending catastrophe. The vibrant hue stretched across the horizon, resembling something straight out of an apocalyptic movie. Its sudden appearance and intensity led many to believe a major human error had occurred. Visible from miles away, the plume sparked intense speculation, with theories ranging from industrial accidents to covert government operations. Experts attributed the orange color to a chemical reaction, likely from industrial processes. Substances like nitrogen oxides, produced during combustion, can cause such a striking color and are known to be toxic, leading to environmental damage and respiratory health issues. While plausible, the scale of the plume raised doubts about whether it was a routine mishap. Some speculated the event was linked to secret government experiments or classified technologies. Others suggested it could be the result of geoengineering, a failed climate modification attempt. The theory of extraterrestrial involvement also gained traction, with some believing the plume could have been a signal or test from advanced alien technology. Eyewitnesses reported a strange calmness in the air, adding to the sense that the event felt deliberate, perhaps even a display of power by a hidden force. The environmental and health risks would have been severe, but without official clarification, the full impact remains unknown. The mystery of the orange plume continues to fuel speculation and intrigue, raising questions that are yet to be answered. The squid UFO. The sighting of a squid-shaped object floating through the sky sparked intense curiosity, its tentacle-like appendages swaying gracefully in the air. Its unusual form and fluid movement set it apart from anything previously seen, leading to various theories about its origin. Some speculated it was an alien craft, while others suggested it could be a highly advanced balloon or experimental military vehicle. Regardless, the object's strange characteristics left a lasting impression. One theory proposed that the object was an example of biomimicry, a technology designed to replicate the movement of living creatures. Aerospace and military industries have been exploring machines inspired by nature, aiming for designs with fluid, agile movements. Another possibility was that it was a new type of advertising balloon, designed for controlled movement rather than drifting with the wind. The lack of visible propulsion or markings deepened the mystery, leading to further speculation that the object could be extraterrestrial in origin. Its tentacle-like structure resembled nothing seen in human-made vehicles, fueling beliefs it might be an alien reconnaissance craft. This sighting adds to the growing number of unexplained aerial phenomena, many of which defy our understanding of physics. While some dismiss these reports as hoaxes, the increasing frequency of such incidents suggests there's more to these mysteries than meets the eye. As sightings continue to capture public attention, the question of what lurks in our skies remains tantalizingly unresolved. Project Bluebeam and the Sphinx's trouble. Project Bluebeam has captivated conspiracy theorists for years, fueling speculation about a hidden agenda involving high-tech holographic technology. Some believe that the strange occurrences, including bizarre sky sightings of figures resembling ancient monuments like the Sphinx, are part of a covert operation involving underwater research facilities. According to these theories, governments or shadow organizations could be using this technology to project these colossal, otherworldly images into the sky to manipulate public perception or prepare for an orchestrated event that could alter the world as we know it. The concept behind Project Bluebeam is based on the idea that advanced holographic projections could be used to simulate supernatural events, such as the second coming of a religious figure or an alien invasion. These holograms would be visible from vast distances, fooling large groups of people into believing in a global event. The appearance of Sphinx-like figures in the sky, with their enormous, eerie presence, seems to align with this theory. The uncanny likeness to known ancient monuments has led some to believe these projections might be testing ground for an even larger spectacle to come. Beneath the surface of these theories lies the question of whether this technology is truly human-made, or if it could be something far more advanced. If governments or elite organizations have harnessed such powerful technology, it would be a huge leap forward in manipulating the perception of the masses. However, the widespread occurrence of strange phenomena in the sky, including impossible shapes and formations, raises the possibility that there may be more than just advanced human technology at work. Some suspect that extraterrestrial entities could be involved, either as part of a joint collaboration with humans, or as a separate force entirely, influencing events from behind the scenes. What's even more intriguing is the idea that these figures could serve multiple purposes beyond just projecting illusions. The projections could be designed to influence people's beliefs, test reactions to various scenarios, or act as a cover for real-world operations taking place in secret. As technology continues to evolve, the line between what's real and what's fabricated becomes increasingly blurred. Whether this phenomenon is the result of human experimentation or something far more otherworldly, it remains a mystery that continues to elude any clear answers. Flying humanoids in the sky. In a quiet Swiss town, a group of friends captured a bizarre scene that would ignite widespread speculation. A humanoid figure appeared to fly effortlessly over the hills, defying gravity with movements that seemed unnatural to the human eye. The video, which quickly gained traction online, showed a figure gliding through the air in a way that resembled a person, but with a fluidity and grace that suggested something beyond typical human capability. Theories ranged from advanced human technology, such as a jetpack or wingsuit, to something far more extraordinary, a possible extraterrestrial entity testing its abilities. The footage raised the possibility that humanity was witnessing a breakthrough in flight technology, or a visitation from beings beyond Earth. As the video spread, other reports of similar figures began to surface, with witnesses from around the world claiming to have seen similar humanoid figures flying through the skies. Yet, no concrete explanation came forward. Experts debated the viability of human flight technology capable of such movements, but no known aircraft or gadget matched the smoothness and agility captured in the footage. The mystery deepened when the video's authenticity was questioned. Some speculated it could be an elaborate hoax or a rare phenomenon, but the absence of any clear answers only fueled the growing belief that there was more to this sighting than met the eye. The question lingered: what exactly was this strange figure? And why did it choose to reveal itself in such a dramatic fashion? The gray plume, sky glitch or simulation proof. When a strange gray plume appeared frozen in the sky, it defied natural explanations and sparked a wave of intrigue. The plume lingered for hours without dissipating, a phenomenon so unusual that it led many to consider the possibility of a simulated reality. The stillness of the plume, hanging motionless in the sky, seemed unnatural, almost as though it were a glitch in the very fabric of the environment. Some observers began to entertain the idea that this could be evidence of a world where what we see and experience is not truly real, but an illusion created by advanced technology. This theory, often explored by philosophers and scientists, gained new traction in the wake of the mysterious appearance. The idea that our reality could be a sophisticated simulation has fascinated people for years, but witnessing the event firsthand made the concept feel more tangible. As similar plumes were reported in different regions, the connection between these unusual occurrences and the concept of a simulated world grew stronger. Despite attempts to explain the phenomenon as a rare atmospheric anomaly, the persistence of the plume and its odd, unshifting presence made many question the nature of their surroundings. The event was more than just an atmospheric curiosity. It was a reminder of how easily reality can be distorted or misinterpreted. As people continued to ponder the meaning behind the plume, it served as a striking symbol of the unknown forces that may govern our world. The strange appearance of the gray plume, hanging in the sky with no explanation, left behind a sense of unease, a subtle reminder that the boundaries between reality and illusion may not always be as clear as they seem. A ship in the clouds. In the vast expanse of the ocean, far from any major landmass, a ship's camera captured a stunning and mysterious sight. A beam of light shot up from the vessel, piercing through the dark water and sky, while an enormous, unidentified craft loomed silently above. The size and nature of the object, combined with the strange light, led many to speculate about its origins. The sheer magnitude of the event hinted at a possibility that few had dared to consider. Could this be a covert interaction between extraterrestrial forces and Earth's military or scientific institutions? The scene immediately raised more questions than answers. Ships traveling through remote waters typically don't encounter such phenomena, especially ones that involve what seemed to be a massive craft of unknown origin. The ship's crew, unable to identify the source of the light or the craft above, was left to grapple with the strange encounter. All while the footage made its way to the public and sparked heated debates. Theories about the nature of the object and its intentions ranged from extraterrestrial collaboration to top-secret government projects using advanced technologies not yet known to the general public. Some argued that this could be part of an undisclosed military experiment or an international operation involving highly classified technology. The beam of light, often associated with advanced propulsion systems, could have been a method of communication or an attempt to transmit energy, hinting at technologies far beyond current human understanding. This led to further speculation that the ship may not have been alone in the waters, but was in some way coordinated with or monitored by the craft above. This event added fuel to a growing belief that world governments might already have long-standing, albeit secret, collaborations with extraterrestrial beings. Many conspiracy theories point to incidents like these as evidence of clandestine exchanges of technology, resources, and knowledge. Some even suggest that these encounters could serve as test runs for future, more visible interactions between aliens and humans. The sheer audacity of such a sighting occurring out in the open sea and captured on camera suggests that perhaps extraterrestrials are no longer hiding in the shadows, but are increasingly making their presence known to those who are paying attention. The involvement of military-grade equipment, combined with a mystery craft of unprecedented size, has undoubtedly intensified the discourse around UFOs, extraterrestrial technology, and their possible collaboration with Earth's military forces. Whether this was a one-time encounter or part of a broader, ongoing interaction, the implications are staggering, leaving those who witnessed it to wonder just how much humanity knows and what it chooses not to reveal. Alien or earthly invention? In 2021, a strange winged object caught on the International Space Station's cameras added another layer to the ongoing mystery of unidentified aerial phenomena. As it glided silently through space, the object's unusual winged design sparked immediate intrigue. Unlike conventional spacecraft, it lacked visible propulsion and seemed to defy standard aerospace engineering principles. This led many to wonder whether it was a secretive human-made craft, potentially part of an advanced, undisclosed military project, or something far more extraordinary. What was particularly striking about the sighting was the object's behavior. It moved with a smooth, controlled motion, as though guided by a force or intelligence beyond what current human technology could achieve. Some analysts speculated it could be part of a covert operation, with governments testing next-generation vehicles designed for space exploration or surveillance. However, others dismissed these explanations, considering the possibility of extraterrestrial involvement. As the footage circulated, more individuals came forward, discussing other instances of unusual objects spotted by space cameras or satellites, with some suggesting that Earth may have been under observation for much longer than we realize. If the object was indeed extraterrestrial in origin, it could be part of a broader pattern of off-world monitoring, where extraterrestrial beings might be assessing humanity's progress and spacefaring capabilities from afar. This sighting only deepened the ongoing conversation about humanity's place in the cosmos and whether we are truly alone in the universe. France's Mystery Lights French skies have recently become hotspots for UFO sightings, with one particularly mysterious incident capturing widespread attention. A craft was seen moving erratically, defying any explanations associated with known aircraft or satellites. Its sudden, unpredictable movements, hovering and accelerating at high speeds, left many questioning whether this was the work of extraterrestrials or advanced human technology. The sighting prompted curiosity among both the public and the scientific community, with some experts suggesting that the object could be a highly classified military craft developed through cutting-edge aerospace technology. However, the erratic behavior of these crafts, especially their ability to hover silently and swiftly change direction, has led others to speculate that these might be extraterrestrial vehicles. Reports from local residents and pilots in the region have only added to the mystery, with recurring sightings of similar objects in the sky. Some witnesses claim to have experienced unusual sensations during these encounters, such as a sense of being observed or even telepathic communication. While skeptics argue these could be misinterpretations or psychological effects, the frequency and consistency of sightings continue to fuel speculation that we may not be alone. With each new sighting, the question of what lies above us grows more intriguing. Flailing tentacles in the sky, footage of a tentacled object floating in the sky quickly went viral, sparking intense debate across the internet. While some dismissed it as a weather balloon or a simple trick of the light, others pointed to its strange, undulating tentacles as evidence of something far more extraordinary. The object's movement, smooth and purposeful, suggested a level of sophistication beyond ordinary technology. Skeptics argued it was just an optical illusion, but the eerie, otherworldly appearance of the creature left many with a sense of unease. Some theorists believed it was alien technology, drawn to Earth for reasons unknown. The tentacles seemed almost mechanical, perhaps part of a reconnaissance mission or a form of data collection. The object's strange design also sparked discussions about potential military experiments, with claims that it could be a new, secret prototype being tested. Others suggested the object might be something biological, an unknown organism capable of flight. As more videos surfaced, the mystery only deepened, leaving the public to wonder whether this was a rare atmospheric phenomenon or something far more profound, challenging our understanding of the world above us. Nature's flamethrower. The glowing, flame-like specter that appeared wreaking havoc across the land sparked immediate fear and speculation. With its ethereal, fire-like glow, it seemed to transcend the limits of known physics. The force it emitted was not just destructive but unnervingly controlled, as if it had a specific target. The object, which appeared to levitate, emitted a heat so intense that it left scorched earth in its wake. Unlike any natural fire or human-made weapon, this phenomenon behaved with an eerie precision that defied explanation. Some observers wondered if this was the result of cutting-edge technology, perhaps a military experiment, a weaponized energy source, or even a new form of warfare being tested in secret. Experts weighed in with theories about directed energy weapons, lasers, or advanced plasma technology, though none could fully explain the behavior or intensity of the flame. Others entertained the possibility of alien involvement, with the phenomenon being a test of extraterrestrial weaponry or technology far beyond human comprehension. The idea that the flame-like force could be linked to an interstellar power only added to the mystery. Ancient mythologies and stories also began resurfacing, as people speculated that the specter could be something supernatural, perhaps an ancient elemental force long hidden from human eyes. The scale of its power and its unexplained nature led some to believe that it was a message, a sign of something far greater than anything humanity had encountered before. The event continued to spark fear, fascination, and endless speculation, ensuring that this bizarre and terrifying spectacle would remain etched in the collective memory for years to come. Saucer cloud or spaceship. A massive saucer-shaped cloud appeared in the sky, sparking intense debate among observers. Its shape was unusually symmetrical and precise, resembling the iconic flying saucer often associated with UFOs. As it moved across the sky, it seemed to defy typical wind patterns, almost as if it were deliberately maneuvering. This behavior was unlike the natural flow of clouds, which tend to drift in a more erratic fashion. The sheer size of the formation and its smooth, well-defined edges made it stand out even more against the backdrop of the sky. Meteorologists quickly labeled it a lenticular cloud, a formation known to take on a disc-like shape when air currents are funneled over mountains. However, the cloud's steady movement and precise shape made many wonder if there was more to it. Some theorists argued it could be an alien craft cleverly disguised as a cloud, taking advantage of the natural weather patterns to avoid detection. Sightings like this have fueled speculation that extraterrestrial technology may already be observing us from above, hidden in plain sight. The mysterious appearance of this unusual cloud has left many questioning the true nature of what we see in our skies. Alien babies? In a desolate stretch of coastline, a series of bizarre, grotesque shapes were discovered by a group of hikers. The objects, which were unlike anything known to exist in the natural world, appeared to be in various stages of development, with some resembling alien embryos and others more organic, like mutated marine life. Their skin was semi-translucent, with odd, pulsating veins running through them, and their features were disturbingly otherworldly. The shapes seemed to defy any logical biological classification, leading some to suggest that they might be alien offspring, discarded or accidentally left behind during an extraterrestrial encounter on Earth. As word of the discovery spread, theories began to surface. Some experts suggested the creatures could be a form of marine life that had mutated due to environmental factors, possibly linked to pollution or radiation. However, the peculiar anatomy of the creatures, such as their oddly symmetrical features and unnatural appearance, left many wondering if they were something far more extraordinary. Theories of biological experimentation or even alien life forms resurfaced, drawing comparisons to historical UFO-related discoveries. Despite the eerie similarities to known alien depictions, there was no solid explanation, leaving the true nature of these grotesque shapes as one of the most unsettling mysteries to date. Glow zone in the ocean. A mysterious green glow recently appeared in the middle of the ocean, sparking widespread speculation. The eerie light, visible from a great distance, has fueled theories ranging from alien activity to advanced military experiments. Some believe it could be a signal from extraterrestrial beings, using the ocean as a communication conduit. Unusual lights and phenomena in the water have long been associated with alien encounters, making this theory all the more captivating. Others suggest it could be tied to secret military experiments, with the glow possibly resulting from new sonar, energy, or weapon technologies being tested. The ocean is often used for covert operations, and this glow fits the pattern of unexplained incidents linked to military activities. Alternatively, some believe it could be bioluminescence, a natural phenomenon caused by marine organisms like plankton. However, from fiery tornadoes to icy waves, while these phenomena may seem like scenes from a sci-fi movie, they are real forces that shape our world. Whether it's cold lava swallowing villages or fire whirls raging through forests, these events remind us of nature's raw power. Stay curious, stay safe, and if you enjoyed this journey through Earth's strangest wonders, don't forget to share and explore more.